Josh Rogers here, mortgage banker in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's talk about what makes a good lender. That's up to interpretation. Now, the different service levels, people have a tendency to desire more than others. So if here's a scenario, say that you don't really care to meet somebody. You don't really need your hand held, So some internet based loan lenders may help you, okay? They may be just fine. But, in local banks or big regional banks, they can help you as well. But usually they have more volume and things like that. And so they're not as readily answering the phone and not helping as much as possible. Now, this is not bashing anyone because there's some great loan officers at all these places. Now, this is just for my taste and my opinion only. All right. So usually where I go, I like to have, like, say, for instance, I like to go to a restaurant and I like to have waiters so that someone can talk to me and tell me about the menu and tell me about these different things and different options. And so I can discuss and really understand what's going on. And so that's what I find in a good lender, someone that's really going to take the time to explain your different options and different requirements and what you need and what you don't need and what fits you best. And then or just give you all the options and then you can choose what's better for you. And then also explain the numbers, as adequately as possible. Now, someone that understands the numbers. And there's some people out there that the mortgage is not their primary gig. And so you really want to look into that and interview different people because it can be a stressful process. What you don't want to do is get someone to promise you a bunch, the end of the world or the world, and they can't deliver or they don't deliver. Okay, and so that's what I like in a mortgage lender is someone that's available and someone that answers the phone, someone answers my questions, and someone that takes the time to explain what my options are and really knows the numbers and the process and can unveil the mystery of how a mortgage works, because when I bought a house, oh my gosh, all I knew was what my payment was and what my down payment was, and that's it. I didn't know who was getting paid, what was happening, what a title company was, why did I need homeowners insurance, and who was an HOA, all that kind of stuff. A good realtor, a good mortgage lender can walk you through and understand. Now, what I like to do is give an estimate, and so that you can see all the dollars. You can see where everything's going. And like the old adage, follow the money, and so you can see all these little pieces and how it all works, by following an estimate, a spreadsheet of all the numbers. And so that's what I like. That's my opinion. And so you take it for what it's worth. And there you go. If you have any questions from me or want some more information, you can contact me at rogersmortgagegroup.com. But, if you get a good feel for somebody, it's probably a good choice, And so hope this helped you. Thanks so much.